Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, darkskinbeauty_Rafi. I hope all of you guys are doing great. So today's video is going to be on this look that you're seeing right now. So let's go in. So as you can see, this is the Balea concentrate lift effect and oil that I've been using recently, and it's been working greatly for me. So I use this before I apply the foundation. So the foundation that I'm using today is Bobbi Brown's Long Wear Even Finish foundation with SPF 15, which is always great, and the shade that I'm using is Warm Walnut in 7.5. And to conceal my face, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in Deep Sand. And then to contour my face, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Waterproof Concealer in the shade 7N Ultra Deep Neutral. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking Powder in Blondie. And for my eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. And for my base, I'm using the shade Demure. And for the outer corners, I'm using the shade Doll Face. I'm now using the shade Risquė around my crease area. I'm using the Demure shade to blend out everything. For the middle part of my eyes, I'm using this pink diamond shade. It's an absolutely gorgeous glitter color. And I'm also using the same shade for my inner corner of the eyes. For my lower lash line, I'm using the shade Doll Face and Truffle. For my top liner, I'm using the NYX waterproof eyeliner. I'm applying the BH false lashes in N103. Then I'm applying the Zoeva Coral Spectrum blush in the pink shade. And now I'm using my all-time favorite Cleopatra's Kiss highlighter from Sleek. I'm lining the lips with the NYX Dark Soul lip liner. And for the outer corner of the lips, I'm using the shade Copenhagen from NYX. And for the middle part of the lips, I'm using the shade Istanbul from NYX as well. So now you use a tissue to sort of do this, and your lips will look flawless. It's an old trick. So I'm now just highlighting the corners of my eyebrows with the Sleek highlighter and a little bit of mascara to sort of touch up all the loose ends, and then I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brows to quickly sort of touch on my eyebrows, and I'm finishing the look with the NYX setting spray, and ta-da! The look is complete. I hope you guys found this video useful and you will be able to apply this look when you're going out or to a nice dinner. This look will be fabulous. So if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on another video. Bye!